This is by far the best AI avatar videos tools that you can use all in one place.
Treating acne at home involves a combination of proper skincare, lifestyle adjustments, and the use of natural remedies or over-the-counter products. Here are some effective methods. 1. Cleanse gently. Wash your face twice a day with a mild, non-comedogenic cleanser to remove excess oil, dirt, and sweat without irritating the skin. Moisturize. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and prevent dryness, which can trigger more oil production.
They have a community where you can take a look at all the generations.
Hello! It's amazing how small moments like these can lead to great memories.
As you can see, it looks pretty good. Let's see another example here.
Hi there. What's the best thing that's happened to you today? I'd love to know.
Hi, you're the kind of person who makes every space you're in feel a little more special.
This one pretty good as well.
Hello, you've got such a positive vibe. It's always refreshing to connect with someone like you.
You can click the link down below to register your free account with JoggAI. You'll be given 3 free credits to play around with this tool. If you want to create your own avatar, you can go to create your own avatar right here. You can use text to avatar. If you have a photo, you can use photo to avatars. Or you can generate avatar looks that they already had. You can also use a custom avatar. You can craft your own digital twin using your own image. In this video, I'm going to use text to avatar. You can either choose professional or social. I'm going to use professional in this video. And I'm going to choose young adult. And I'm going to choose female. Ethnicity, I will just leave it as any ethnicity. Now the appearance, you can use randomize. You can also add a face reference if you have any face reference. You can also use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to write a prompt for you. For example, I'm going to generate an image prompt of young, beautiful Asian woman, professional YouTuber background with a MacBook on the table. And now DeepSeek give me the prompt. I just copy this, come back here, just paste it in, and then I'm gonna add all of this background and vibe. And then just paste it in there. So these are my prompt that I got from DeepSeek. And I'm gonna click on generate. If you have free trials, you only can generate 2 times. Alright, we have some images generated and we're gonna see each one of them. Okay, this one is pretty good. I'm gonna use this one. You can even download it if you want. Click on the download button here and it will be saved to your computer. Now you can click on create avatar. We need to change this into a motion videos, so you can choose your motion. I'm gonna select any of these: calm, relax, smile, serious, excited, playful, surprise. They have so many options in there. I'm gonna choose serious, and then you can select the voice.
A business is only as successful as its people are happy.
Now I'm gonna choose as gender, as female. Language, I'm gonna choose English. They have so many languages, by the way. You can see these are all the languages that are available for JoggAI. I'm gonna choose English.
She tore her gaze away from her ruined footwear, still very much grieving the loss, and set herself to the task of finding a dry place to stand.
I like that voice. Let's listen to others.
Keep going. Don't give up. You can do it. And if you can't do it now, don't worry. You will soon.
The interconnectedness of different areas of knowledge continues to amaze me.
Okay, I'm gonna use Angela here. Click on confirm. And then I want to generate the avatar. Now our custom avatar is generating. I'm just gonna wait about 2 minutes. Alright, our custom avatar is already done. Let's click on it.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with JoggAI. Just type your script to get started.
Did you see that? From this image, a still image become a talking avatar.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with JoggAI. Just type your script to get started.
The movement, the lips, everything is so cool. Now here you can edit your script. You can make any kind of video you want, or you can upload your own audio. Let's say you have your own voiceover, or you can use other people's podcast audio. You can upload it in here. In this video, I'm just going to use a script, a random script. You can use randomize to test it. So these are random texts. You can use AI writer as well. You can write something, for example, explain how to get a job faster. Okay, this is very simple. Click on generate. Okay, I'm gonna apply these words. Again, you can edit some of these words if you want. So I'm gonna delete some words here. And the cool thing about JoggAI is that you can add a pause. For example, you want to add a pause right here. You can click on this button, add pause. You can set the duration 0.5 seconds, for example. You can do that, and you can add a pause in anywhere you like as well. So I'm gonna click on generate. Make sure your audio voiceover is already correct, and I'm gonna click on generate. You can edit your file name, then the aspect ratio, I'm gonna leave it as 16:9. Now you need a paid account to remove the watermark, but I'm gonna show you the sample first. So it will use 1 credit. We're just gonna wait for about 3 minutes to generate this particular video. Alright, so our video is done. We're gonna watch the video together.
To get a job faster, focus on streamlining your efforts and targeting opportunities effectively. Start by tailoring your resume and cover letter to highlight relevant skills and achievements for each position. Use action verbs and quantify results to stand out. Leverage professional networking platforms like LinkedIn to connect with industry professionals and recruiters, and attend job fairs or networking events.
I think that's very, very good. We don't have to manually, generate image, make videos, and then do lip sync. This is all done in one place, and this just expedite the process much faster. Now, if you want to download this, you just click on download right here. Again, guys, you can click the link down below to try JoggAI. I'm going to show you something very cool. You can go to home and then choose this topic to videos. This can help you generate AI video much faster. For example, how to make money on YouTube. Okay, you can select your target language and then the tone, friendly, casual, professional. I'm gonna choose professional, and then the script length, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. Generate script. Okay, so I have these 3 scenes. I'm gonna just generate video. By the way, you can choose your video. Let's say I want to make a shorts video here. So you'll be brought to the editor page. You can change any of this avatar. For example, if you don't like this guy, you can change to other guy like this. Okay, let's say you don't like this guy as well, you can change it to your own custom avatar, clicking on here. And by the way, you can drag this however you want. I'm gonna make sure this is centered. Same thing here as well. You can choose other avatar. Go back to avatar. They have plenty of other avatars that you can use. So you can use whichever one you like. If you want to use all these guy face, also can. Or if you want to use your own custom avatar throughout the video, you also can do that. I'm gonna go back to script. Now the voice, you make sure the voice is correct, guys. So for the female, I want to change the voice. I want to change these to other voices. Let me select English.
She tore her gaze away from her ruined footwear.
I'm gonna use this one for this girl. Click on confirm. And for the male one, let me play this.
Panel involves multiple strategies.
I mean, Michael is not bad. Let me see if there are other ones.
Welcome to the future of UGC. A business is only as successful as its... Anyone who takes the time to listen is either an old soul or a romantic one.
The winds of the lands between whisper of your deeds. tarnished. Science fiction is a doorway to end.
Anyone who takes the time to listen is either an old soul.
Okay, I'm gonna use hail. So let's say this is done. And by the way, the subtitle, you can play around with the settings here. You can use this one if you want to. Let's say if everything is done, you already customize it the way you like. Just click on render here. As you can see, it will cost you 1 credit. Just click on submit. Okay, something is wrong here. Let me change all the voices. Okay, the guy avatar is a problem. So we already generated the video, just gonna wait 3 minutes. Alright, the video is done. Let's play it together.
Monetizing your YouTube channel involves multiple strategies.
First, enable ads on your videos through the YouTube Partner Program by meeting eligibility requirements.
Additionally, explore affiliate marketing and merchandise sales to diversify income streams.
Monetizing your YouTube channel involves multiple strategies.
First, enable ads on your videos through the YouTube Partner Program by meeting eligibility requirements.
Additionally, explore affiliate marketing and merchandise sales to diversify income streams.
Now, if you want to download it, just click on download here. What do you guys think? Make sure you like this video, guys. Subscribe and comment down below. Again, if you want to sign up, use the link down below to help support this channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.